Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a demo of Smart Breaker Switch from ZemiSmart. If you wish to purchase this product, I have provided a link in video description box. Before going ahead, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it now. And to get the notification of my latest videos, don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. This is Smart Breaker Switch from ZemiSmart. It is similar to Sonos switch. You can convert any non-smart device to smart by using the Smart Breaker Switch. Like you can connect your normal light and fan with this Smart Breaker and connect them through Wi-Fi. And can control them through Smart Life app and voice assistant like Google Home, Alexa and Siri. The voltage rating of this device is 90 volts to 250 volts and it has current rating of 10 amperes. So you can connect any device up to 10 amperes with this Smart Breaker. You can see these two are the input wires and these two are the output wires, one line and one neutral. Build quality of this device is very good. These clips are provided to connect wires, so you do not need to unscrew this device to connect wires like you need to do in Sonos switch. A black button is provided to reset and on off this device. Also an LED indicator is given. Now let me show you a demo of this device. For this demo, I have connected this input wires with this 2-pin plug and the output wires with this LED light using these clips. Now let me add this in Smart Life app and show you a demo. Now I have switched on this device and you can see a blue light is blinking in this LED indicator. Now let me add this in Smart Life app. To add this in Smart Life app, you need to select Add Device, select Electrical and select Scene Light Socket. Now here you need to confirm whether the light is blinking or not. I'll confirm it here. And give your Wi-Fi password and confirm. Now you can see it's connecting. Now you can see the device is added successfully. Let's click on completed. Now let's control this through Smart Life app. Currently it's switched off. I'll switch it on. So you can see the LED light is switched on. Now let me switch it off. So we are able to control this through Smart Life app. You can also set schedule and countdown through below options. Now let me control this through Google Home. Since my Smart Life account is already linked to Google Home, so whenever I add any new device in Smart Life app, it automatically gets added to Google Home. So now let me control this through Google Home. Okay Google, turn on Smart Breaker.
Show turning on the Smart Breaker.
So now let's turn it off. Okay Google, turn off Smart Breaker.
Alright, turning the Smart Breaker off.
So you can see we are able to control this through Google Home. So this was a demo of Smart Breaker from ZemiSmart. Hope you like this product. If you wish to purchase this product, I have provided the link in video description box. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. To get notification of my latest videos, don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll be back with a new video soon. Thanks for watching.